my friend, is not easy. We have worked together and for almost 6 years, and we are friends. We know each other before this company. He handled the sales and purchase, huge responsibility that decide to the company future, hard work, caring, never give up, pressure in job, and smile on face. Please come on the stage, Mr. Abdullah, and share your experience.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Have a wonderful evening tonight. I glad to hear everybody get together with happy faces. So from me, happy Chinese New Year to my boss, my ma'am, and our Chinese team. So let me continue my speech. Every year we get together. Within no time we just complete our year in 2025 and now 2026. So let me express myself. My name is Abdullah. I am doing purchase manager of Dubai team. Hopefully I will continue my job with the extension, with the fully focus and fully responsibility of that. I joined in this company 2018. So 2018 or 2026 is a very long period. With the hard work and dedication, we just get this place. This is a sign of a hard working, sign of a potential work. With the experience of that, we will go more forward. So today's agenda is very clear. We have to express our feelings of 2025 and the info of 2026. So first one is sales summary. The second one is new innovation about the product. Third one is market and awareness. And the fourth one is product analyzing. So today I will speak on that one. The hard work and consistency. Success usually comes to those who always are busy in their work. So work is very necessary in every field. We cannot give up. Even work is hard or harder or soft, we have to do it because we have to move on. The second one is leadership. Leadership is very important. I started by serving customer. This is a very first exhibition in 2018 when I joined this company. I succeed by understanding people. I succeed by the learning procedure with the move, with the success, and with the happy faces. So improvement, I need a lot of improvement in 2026. As I say, in 2025, I joined this post, the purchase manager. But in 2026, this is a time which one I will deliver most, and I am very confident about that. Improvement, self-improvement, business improvement, I mention always. We will accept the challenges. We always advance in work. We have to analyze the product. We have to analyze the market scenario. Solution of the problem. This is very necessary. When there is any problem and there should be any solution. When the cases go from ahead, we go to the boss. Ma'am, they give us a very good result and very good suggestions. Question and answering, very good one. We have to know about that one. Business improvement, the inventory control, the blank order purchase, and the quality control. Quality control is very necessary. Which one we are doing in 2024, 2025, and 2026 as well. The last one is performance monitoring. We have to monitor our factory control, Dubai online, and now we already starting from last year distribution department. So my best wishes always this department because this is the new for us, and we are waiting for that in 2026. We will go more about that one. So in the last, the two main things about ma'am and boss. They always teach us as our all colleagues mention their names. So I especially say about that, ma'am and boss. We learn a lot from you. Due to big respect, we are here for you. You give us a lot of chances, which one we express ourselves due to our changing in life, just because of you, because you always teach us. Thank you, boss and ma'am, and everyone.